Go to the game folder. Scroll down. Select Play RDR2. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the option to disable full-screen optimizations. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Select RDR2. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Go to Compatibility. Check the option to disable full-screen optimizations. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open the Red Dead Redemption 2 folder. Open the Settings folder. Select System, right-click it, move your mouse to Open With, and choose Notepad. Click on Edit. Click on Find, write API, and press Enter. Scroll down. In Setting API Vulkan, select the Vulkan word and write DX12. Click on File, click on Save, and close the file. Right-click on Riva Tuner and click on Close. Go to the Steam folder, scroll down, select Steam, right-click it, and click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Select Steam, right-click it, click on Show More Options, and click on Create Shortcut. You can use the created shortcut to run Steam as administrator. Another option is to just drag the Steam file to the taskbar. Make sure to always run Steam as administrator before playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.